groove, two sides alike, something smooth that doesn't hurt at all. There comes the major in all its glory. Forgive the fella, it says I'm sorry. I asked if he could send the lines, but he said no. Didn't ask why. I took a pen and read it down. I wrote a love song, make it yours. Take all the pieces, there's nothing wrong. It's no poetry now, it's symphony. But these are my words, these are my lines, this is my prayer. Cause every inch of my skin still holds the perfume of my sin. I've tried to take it off so many times. Hey, I know this is my very last chance. No mercy, no kindness, no defense. I hope it comes naturally.